Hi Filmator. Welcome to this tutorial on advanced masking in Filma. In order to access the masking tool, go to the right menu and navigate to Adjustment/Mask, and then you'll see an option called Shape Mask. First, you'll need to select a clip in order to apply a mask. Once you've done that, press on Show Controls to access the mask screen. On the left side of the mask screen, you'll see a few options. The first two options allow you to choose between free drawing and point drawing for your mask shape. The other two options allow you to remove a point or select all points or deselect them. On the bottom of the mask screen, you'll find additional options such as feather to smooth out the edges of your mask, a button to remove the entire mask, a button to preselect a shape, and a button to hide or show the path of points. At the top right corner of the mask screen, you'll see the magnetic option, which is enabled by default and helps you create more symmetrical masks. You'll also see the transformation button, which allows you to manipulate the points in different ways, such as expanding, rotating, or moving them around. Now let's go through an example of masking. Let's select the free drawing option and draw a shape. Adjust the edges as needed. Now let's animate the mask by moving the keyframes bar and moving the points. This showcases how we can animate a mask. Before applying the mask, keep in mind that you can also invert the mask by tapping on the Invert Mask button. Once you're happy with your mask, tap on Apply to see it in action. Masking is a useful tool for a variety of purposes, such as isolating a specific area of a clip or applying effects only to certain parts of a clip. You can also use masking to apply adjustment masks. To do this, apply a filter. And then go to Layers. Find the filter you applied and select the Mask button, then open the masking screen and apply a specific mask. After applying the mask, you'll see that the filter is only applied to the masked area you created. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial on advanced masking in Filma.